Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Nakamichi unit supports Android Auto and that firmware is up to date. This prevents compatibility surprises. Once done, use a certified USB cable. Poor cables cause intermittent connections. Then enable Android Auto on your phone and grant necessary permissions. Make sure Bluetooth is on and location services allowed. Android Auto often needs both. Now plug the phone into the head unit and watch for the Android Auto prompt on both. You should now select Android Auto from the Nakamichi input or home screen, which tells the unit to initialize the protocol. If the phone asks for USB permissions, choose Always Allow so future connections are seamless. Make sure media audio and phone audio are enabled in Bluetooth settings in case the unit falls back. If the Nakamichi offers steering wheel or audio mapping, map functions now so voice, skip, and volume behave as expected. This reduces distraction while driving. You finish by testing core features. Place a call, start navigation, and play music to confirm audio routing and voice assist. If Android Auto does not fully load, make sure both devices are unlocked and restart the Nakamichi head unit and the phone, because that clears handshake errors. If problems persist, swap to a known good certified cable and recheck firmware. As a last resort, backup settings and perform a factory reset on the head unit. One key tip: intermittent connections are almost always a bad cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.